Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn exploring some geometric themes together, step by step. Geometry studies shapes and space. We'll revisit angles formed by lines and discover the angle rules that govern any polygon. Recall the key angle pairs. Complementary angles add to 90 degrees, supplementary to 180, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. When a transversal crosses two parallel lines, corresponding and alternate angles are equal, while co-interior angles add to 180 degrees. For any polygon with n sides, the interior angles sum to n minus 2 times 180. A triangle gives 180, a quadrilateral 360, a pentagon 540. A hexagon has 6 sides, so its interior angles sum to 6 minus 2 times 180. That's 4 times 180, which is 720 degrees. A lovely fact: the exterior angles of any polygon always add up to 360 degrees. For a regular polygon, each exterior angle is 360 divided by n. To recap, interior angles of an n-gon sum to n minus 2 times 180. Exterior angles always total 360, and parallel lines give equal corresponding and alternate angles. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.